Dinosaur? Oh, sorry. That was my tummy. I'm getting a little hungry. I'm hungry too. Do you guys want to get some food? That sounds like a good idea. What do you guys want to eat? Oh, hi guys. I was just thinking about going to McDonald's for food and toy surprises. Do you guys want to join me? Yes, let's go to McDonald's for food and toy surprises. Can someone give me a lift? I don't have my car today to go through the drive-thru. Hop on board, Chase. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it. Molly, do you need a ride? Nope. I have my own wheels. Well, my own wheel. Let's go to the drive-thru. Whoa, this is a super cool McDonald's. Hi, may I take your order? Skye, is that you? Yeah, it's me, Skye. I work here at McDonald's. It's super cool. Oh, that's so cool. It's Rocky. I'll have a cheeseburger and a Dory mashem. Cheeseburger. 1 cheeseburger plus 1 Dory mashem equals... All right, it's gonna be $3.25. Here's your change. Enjoy your burger and your Dory mashem. Hey Skye, it's Chase. I'll also have a cheeseburger and a chocolate minion surprise egg. 1 cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. And 1 chocolate minion surprise. Okay, your total is $3.75. Here you go. Thanks, Skye. And Chase, here you go. Awesome, thank you. Oh, hi, Skye. It's Rocky. I'll have a Happy Meal and a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle blind bag. 1 Happy Meal. Happy Meal. And 1 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blind bag. All right, your total is $2.75. Thank you. Here you go, Rocky. Yummy. Thank you, Skye. Hi, it's me, Molly. I'd like to have chicken nuggets and a Shopkins Fashion Spree basket. 1 chicken nugget. Chicken McNugget. And 1 Shopkins Fashion Spree. Your total is $3.15. Thank you. Here you go, Molly. Oh, yummy. And I can't wait to see what Shopkins I got. Oh, hi, Skye. It's me, Ryder. Yes, I would like to have 1 Unicorno Frenzy blind box and French fries. 1 French fry. French fries. And 1 Unicorno Frenzy. Your total is $3.87. Thanks so much, Skye. All set, Ryder. Enjoy your meal and your Unicorno Frenzy. Thanks so much, Skye. Have a great day. Let's go open our surprises. Let's check out our food and our toy surprises. So Rocky got this cheeseburger, but it's not just a cheeseburger. Look. It's a funny little dinosaur. Do. And Rocky got a Dory mashem. Let's see who we got. Whoa! We got Bailey, the beluga whale. Whoa, so cute. Look at the little fins. Hello. And let's give Bailey a good squish. And another squish. Bailey's pretty squishy, so on the squish meter, Bailey gets an 8. Swimming along. Well, Ryder got some French fries, but these aren't regular French fries. Wow, there's a face in there. And that's not all. There's little legs that come down. Look at the little legs and the little face. Do. And Ryder also got a Unicorno Frenzy. These are so cute. Let's see which one we got. I see gold. It looks like Cleo, the Egyptian unicorno. Look at all the Egyptian pictures. A little tokidoki symbol there. Wow, this one is so cool, and it's gonna fly. Chase also got a cheeseburger, and well, I already see a tail down here, a foot down here, 2 feet, And do you think we'll find a head? Yes, there's the little head. Oh, it's a little dinosaur cheeseburger. Yum, 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 yum. And Chase got a Minion chocolate surprise egg. Awesome. Let's see what we got inside. There's our little Minion. And here's the chocolate with the capsule inside. What will we find? Whoa, it's Minion playing cards. They're gonna be teeny tiny and cute. Look, they're all kinds of playing cards. And it has Minions on the back. Super cool. Molly got chicken nuggets, but as you probably guessed, they're not just chicken nuggets. There's a little head. Here's a little tail. Here's some feet. And some more feet. Chicken nuggets. Molly also got a super awesome Shopkins Fashions free basket. Let's see what's inside. Up first we have, whoa! It's Sneaky Wedge, looking super cool in blue and pink. And I love that green on there too. And look at her tongue. Blah! We're not done with Shopkins. We have our second bag. It doesn't want to come out. It's Shades! And Shades is looking super cool and pink. I love the green and yellow on the lens too. Oh, so awesome. Last but not least, our buddy Rocky got a Happy Meal. Do you think there's something else inside of this and it's not just a Happy Meal? I see something on the bottom. Let's see, let's turn this, and out comes the head. Look how cute that is. Rawr, Happy Meal, rawr, Happy Meal. And Rocky got a super awesome Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle blind bag. Let's see who's inside. Whoa, it's all red. Let me put it together. Whoa, check it out. We got this crazy red Shredder. You can move his head. You can move his arms around. You can move his little waist around. He looks super cool. Wow. Well, this was a ton of fun. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.